Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create the new TikTok trend effect called the mirror dance. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. This would really help me and the channel very much. I've seen many users on TikTok create some cool dancing videos using the mirror dance effect like this. So to begin with, let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. In the search bar, type in mirror dance. You should see the mirror dance effect show up under effects. Tap on it. Now tap on try this effect. This effect will work on both cameras, the front and the back. You'll get the best results if you place the camera at least 2 to 3 meters away from you so it captures your head and feet. Don't forget to add your music and then start to record your dance. Once you're done, post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the new TikTok trend effect called the mirror dance. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.